crowd here at the arena in San Juan on this Saturday afternoon. Watching us on Studio 23, ABS-CBN Sports. UST Tigresses behind by 5 after being up 5-0 early in this game. Boom Gonzalez, Andrew Bulla, Patch Consagra, Eric Torreon, Direct Al Neri at the helm of this ABS-CBN Sports exclusive. Belated happy birthday nga pala, Direct. Masinip ko lang.
Right now, LaSalle doing an excellent job in keeping this lead with a consistent serve from Gumabaw.
Manatikla.
What?
That's a great kill. Maruha Manatikla.
Serving Aiza Maisel.
Captain now. Serving as they are behind by 4. 12, serving 16. Mercado putting a little more into that one. And UST over-receiving it. Manatikla on the second ball. What a dig by Maizo.
Look at
Good rally.
Maranyo.
Manatikla dropping it. Esperanza opens up to Stephanie. Nobody behind. Ortiz and Timo Culangas. And the very athletic Paning Mercado able to adjust at the last second.
After a series of exchanges with hard spikes, she ends it with a drop ball.
Maranyo now. Ooh, bad serve.
Short for a service error.
The throw was a little off.
Pag off na yung pag-throw mo, hirap na niyan ulit.
Bernal is back. A very familiar name in the UST women's volleyball. And again, coverage. Coach Shaq livid at the sidelines.
The ball was actually high.
It's a high ball.
And that's, you know, yung coverage is something that he kept on reminding the girls all throughout the first set.
I mean, Aiza Maizo can't do it all on her own.
The reception for UST.
Try to save it. Chance for LaSalle. The drop shot doesn't work for LaSalle, so back set. And look at Turhing work hard for that one. That point should go to Melissa Turhing. The former Rookie of the Year mopping the floor to save that ball. 19-13. Let's look at that save. Look at that.
That literally threw herself on the floor.
And Shaw Cruz with the finishing touch.
Wala ka na pong gagawin eh. So yun na matutulong mo. Ang drop ball nila, napakataas. Hindi pa natin makuha. Ano kaya sa atin? Ha? Teka tayo sa ginagawa natin. Teka.
It's looking like a game again where they have to come back from 2 sets. Now this set's not yet done, but it's really looking like it right now.
You can really sense the frustration in Coach Shaq as he talks to the girls.
Stephanie Mercado.
We talk about UST, as we mentioned earlier. 7 5-set games, and their record is 4-3. So hati pa yun.
Outside.
There was no touch. They're not asking for a touch.
Maru Manatikla, that face says it all. That frustration also.
You know, one thing that the coaching staff also mentioned is that yung natutunan nila in Game 1 was that they also need to train more yung mga bench players nila, because in that case na parang hindi nakalaro si Maru, they needed someone to replace her, and they have to make sure that that person would deliver.
Cut shot doesn't work. Jack Alarca says to Ortiz, this is how you do it. The running attack against another running attack. Look at that.
Look at the execution from an excellent set. Great timing by Alarca.
Today, she walks home with an MVP trophy and a championship trophy. Playing in her last game if it ends today. Cha Cruz, the beach volleyball veteran. Ortiz in the middle. 21-13 is the score. Coverage there by Maru. Baba, pero na-save.
Micah Ortiz.
Baba na actually kinuha na ni... Medyo nag-tilt na ng konti yung umanggulo na si Ortiz to hit that ball. Look at that.
Yeah, she didn't get the full stretch and full jump. Well, a meek reply here, but nevertheless, it was a reply to get the serve back. 14 serving 21.
What USC needs is to be consistent, have a better reception to set up a good play.
It's a back row player on the other side.
Salazar. Kay Abigail. Let's look at that violation again. Para ma-explain muna ano bang nangyari doon na parang hindi overreaching. Oh.
Not overreaching.
A different violation, obviously, at this point. Good one from John Cruz. Check ball again. And they go up to 22 points. 15 for USD. Set number 2 with LaSalle leading 1-0.
And a wasted opportunity for USD for reception there.
And again, you can actually count how Gumapaw approaches.
May bilang eh.
Oh.
1, 2. But it worked.
It works for her and it's very effective. High percentage. And gets another point. They're 2 points away.
Now the challenge for USD is how they will get a good reception. So far, lahat ginagawa lang ng paraan.
Cruz. She's just innovating there in that sequence. Esperanza, back set to Alarca. Maizo was there. Caballero, checked by Cha Cruz. So close to the net. Very dangerous one. Cha Cruz again. Oh, great adjustment by the captain of the Lady Spikers.
We saw that opening right behind blockers. Like that.
And it sets up set point. Look at that. Set point for LaSalle to give them a major advantage here in game number 2. And they go back to the first server, Esperanza, the Rookie of the Year.
Oh, but she sends that out.
Parang may kamay.
Sabi niya last point na. Sumobra.
Higil or naba.
Too much force.
Nevertheless, it's still a big 8-point lead. Now remember, if you just tuned in, 5-point lead by USD earlier. Amar. Cha Cruz sends it back.
Like a gift to Maizo.
And it has been very rare. I have not seen Aiza Maizo come up with a lot of clean attacks here because ang sama ng reception ng USD.
It was down to that, and I suppose that when they go into the huddle later, magpapaalala na naman si Coach Shaq about the service reception.
There's a free ball. They go to Caballero, not Maizo. Gumapaw again. Down the line. And they are a set away from taking the title today. De La Salle Lady Spikers ahead 2 sets to love. Game number 2 of the finals for the 73rd season of the women's volleyball tournament in the UAAP.